Ik wens iedereen een gelukkig nieuwjaar.
Manigong bagong taon, maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Naragsak, abaro at awan nyo amin, Apo!
Happy New Year!
Yay!
We
are the Bloemen family!
Yay!
Hi guys! Today I'll be rating my fidget toys. First off, we have my puzzle ball. Okay, I solved it. Oh wait, never mind. Just a few more. Did I solve it now? Yeah. Well, I don't play with it really often. And it's very hard to push. And it's very easy to solve, so a 4 out of 10.
Aww.
Yeah, I'll put it here. Next up is my rainbow puppet. This is my favorite fidget toy. Okay, I'm gonna do it inside. This is, both sides are good. A 100 out of 10. This is my favorite.
Wow!
Next is my Wacky Tracks. They make a very satisfying noise. And you can make them in different shapes. I already know how to attach them together and remove them. I'm going to show you some of my shapes. Here we have this cross thing. And with my other one, I'll make, oh yeah, that thing, I know how to make I made a kind of 3D house.
Wow!
And you can even let it stay out here. Okay. Oh yeah, I really like it. Oh, they snapped out. Okay, I'm gonna attach them back together. Well, I really like this. Very fun, but very loud noise. So the teacher will get distracted. And well, it's very fun. So like 8 out of 10. So
Wow!
let's move on to the other one. Next up is this one. It's louder than this one, and it's very hard to push this. To push the other side. Look, this is the hard side. The soft side is like so hard to push. And the rubber is too thick. That's why. I know in the last video I said like I like this, but now I noticed how, like, yeah, like how weird it is, but I still like the name of it. But I don't play with it really often, but my sister does. She was sleeping. But still, it works pretty good. So I'll give this a 5.5 out of 10. Friday 5 March. I really enjoyed playing with it. My classmates too, they were like just playing with it, like doing all the loud sounds and like that. Teacher didn't even notice. And it makes a very fun, loud, satisfying noise. And what is my rating? My rating is a 9.5 out of 10.
Wow.
Very fun. Next is what this. Oh, this is one of my DIY things. Okay, next is my bike chain. I really like playing with it because it's like not that loud, but it can get really distracted. But it really helped me with doing my homework and stuff. That's because fidget toys help you relax. Like if you're stressed out, you could just like play with them to feel better. And it's very fun fidget toy, so I'll give it a 8.5 out of 10.
Wow.
Next are my marble mashers. Here they are in 3 different colors. I know in the last video I had 4 of them, but I can't find them anymore. I looked so hard. And well, they only do like 2 things. Like you could just like roll the marble, or just like squeeze the net. So not really fun fidget toy, but they're still fun and colorful. Like they're the primary colors, but this one's kind of pink and reddish, but it's very fun to play with. Okay, I'll give this a 6 out of 10. And next are my emojis. I don't want to show them because they're like very dirty.
Aww.
Because my classmate just was throwing them on the walls and the ceiling. That's why they got all dirty and now their eyes are gone.
Aww.
I wish I didn't invite her over. But yeah, I always clean them. But I don't play with them now often. So I'll give them a 4 out of 10.
Aww.
Between Happy Birthday, Suga. Okay. Squeeze. Next is this metal spinner with like different weird colors. I actually played Charlie with it, and the reply of my questions were shocking because, yeah, I'm not gonna tell that, but it's still fun. Like very fun colors. Before fidget spinners were really popular, and they're also in the fidget club right now. But yeah, I'll give this a 7.5 out of 10. Next is my blue poppet. I mean, the loud side is very fun. It makes a very funny noise. Wait. And that's the noise, but the soft side, no. You can't even hear it. Only a little bit, but it's very... give this a 6.5 out of 10. Well, those were all my fidget toys. Empty. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Wait, I'm gonna storage on my fidget toys. So you see how to. Boom, boom, boom. No, stop popping. I wanna play a dummy because so thankful for my friend. She gave a tip how you can trade because Netherlands people and Korean people are banned from trading. I don't know why, but if I want to trade someone, it always say like laws in your country don't allow you to trade and all that. It's very annoying. And then my friend says, I know a way how to trade. You have to download the VPN app, VPN, and then you can trade. So I tried it out. It worked. Like it was a dream come true. Because before 2021, wait, yeah, 2021. No.
Comments by my unboxing fidget toys. So yeah. Bye! Awesome.
We would like to acknowledge and give thanks to all our super chatters around the globe. Thank you guys for sharing to us your blessings and for supporting our channel. Big shout out to W&A Adventures from Poland, Shane Tagacano from Hong Kong, Miss Rose Cruz from Hong Kong, Alajar from Greece, Junior and Nerin from Greece, Joyful Day TV from the Philippines, Rose Dave Scales from United Kingdom, Joshua and Gab from Greece, Dali Andrada from Singapore. Big shout out also to all our viewers and supporters around the world. Thank you so much guys for viewing our videos and see you to our next video. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.